It's a little different delivery that we're doing for this Super Duty. This is a brand new Platinum Plus 2026 F350 that we built for our friend Zach from Montana. This has got the BDS 5-inch coilover conversion, and Zach likes to push his equipment to the limits, whether it's him screwing around with his friends or when he's on the job site. Working out in the fields of Montana, he needs a truck that can perform, and I think this truck can definitely do that. So check it out. You can see we've got these two big reservoirs in here with the DSC selector knobs on them on the Fox Performance Elite shocks. You've got that coilover in the front as well as the secondary shock. And what's nice about this coilover, not only does it allow for us to run two shocks, but with that coil spring, we can fine tune the height, and it allowed us to dial in everything we needed perfectly. In addition to that, we have that big BDS radius arm. It does a few things for us. First of all, it gets us the proper alignment. With the added caster correction in that BDS radius arm, we're able to kick that tire forward, preventing any death wobble or any undesirable driving characteristics. In addition to that, we throw on the BDS dual steering stabilizer. With these big 37-inch tires and these low offset wheels, you're gonna want that steering stabilizer to prevent, again, any unnatural steering input and smooth everything out driving down the road. Let's talk about the wheel and tire package real quick. We're with an Archon wheel. It's a 22 by 12 wide, which is a big tire. In addition to that, it's a -51 offset. That is not really something that fits on these trucks, but with this coilover system, we were able to get just enough height to clear it. We also threw on the S&B front trimmer style lip. That gave us a lot more clearance, and we did remove the plastic cap that goes on the bottom of the fender here, but there was no other cutting or trimming required to clear these big tires. We do have a block in the back. We didn't opt for any aftermarket leaf springs because this truck does tow heavy equipment. So in addition to keeping the factory leaf spring with its overload, we did throw on an Airlift 7500 airbag system. Now those airbag systems don't really work with lift kits this big, but we have the custom hardware here at Battle Born Offroad to put everything together and make it work flawlessly. We also have a set of Rigid Industries blue rock lights to match the blue of this truck. He's got to get back to the job site, so he'll be picking up this truck and driving straight from here in Las Vegas all the way up to Bozeman, Montana, where he's from. Again, we get a lot of out-of-state customers. Being in Las Vegas, it makes it easy for us to offer our out-of-state customers a complete package. With so many hotels around, you can come in for a vacation or the conference that you need to go to, drop your truck off, we'll build your dream truck while you handle business or relax. Come pick it up and drive it home. This truck looks killer. He's a little bit of a wild man, so that's why we've got it fully flexed out on the forklift here. Just showing what the capability of this BDS suspension kit can do. If you guys want more information, check us out at battlebornoffroad.com or give one of my talented sales guys a call. They can walk you through all of the Super Duty builds that we've done. And if you don't have a Super Duty, well, we work on all makes and models. I will see you guys on the next one.